Okay guys, so I am now in the Volvo XC60 T5, which I've actually reviewed I think some months back. Okay, that was a showroom review car. Today I'm driving the official test car from Volvo Car Malaysia, and here I am on my way up for a Genting Run. So earlier Bobby has done his Genting Run with this car. That his run is posted on a separate video on his channel, of course. So right now he is up there in Gotong Jaya having breakfast while I am having my turn. Okay, so my initial impressions of the XC60 T5 at the time when I first drove it was that this car, yes, it lacks a few, you know, nicer looking trims from the T8. Okay, it also lacks the T8's more advanced powertrain. But at that time, my impression was that this T5 here, it doesn't feel short in performance, and at the same time, it feels like the better balanced car from a mechanical standpoint. And you know, riding shotgun with Bobby just now, I can see that this is a chassis that really inspires confidence. Alright. See, some of all these sharp bends, I am taking them without so much as a hint of protest from the tires. Okay, that was the collision warning informing me of the truck ahead. Yeah. My God, this. Okay, that was a bit of slippage there. This engine can pull, man. Oh, this engine can pull. But really, what really sparkles about this car is the chassis. It is very impressive, and the steering, it gives you so much confidence to just chuck this car around. Fairly certain, right, that on an engagement standpoint, on a driver engagement standpoint, this is probably better than the T8. Okay, because the T8, you have the added weight of the hybrid system. Never mind that, you also have to deal with the having to manage two physically disconnected powertrains. Whereas here, you only have one engine sending drive to all four wheels. Oh, I would say this is easily the best to drive SUV in this segment, and considering that includes the X3, that is very, very high praise indeed. You see, I am throwing this SUV into bends at speeds that would otherwise be considered fairly unfeasible. Okay, so this stretch will need a bit of use of the brakes, but not by much. Okay, the chassis is really managing the weight transfer superbly. HP, can you help me with this? Just this, yeah. That was my alarm clock, guys. Sorry about that. Yep, off frame is our new colleague HP.
Hello.
Who is, for reasons I cannot understand, trusting his life with in my hands. Wow, hey, this is damn good, man. This is damn good. Now in Bobby's run, you will notice that he made a few remarks about the lag in the transmission as you power out of bends. And I do agree with him, but I would say that it is something that you can mitigate, okay, by putting your power down a bit earlier but more gradually. So instead of stomping your way on the throttle on your way out of the bend, what you can do is, as you are clearing the apex, gently put your foot down on the throttle, and the car will just nicely ease its way out. Very, very nice. This is very, very nice. I mean, from a driving perspective, right, I would pick the T5 here over the T8 any day, no question. This is good. This is nice, man. This is really nice. You know, the engine has just not good enough power to make this enjoyable. The chassis feels very interactive, very intimate, all right? And at the same time, it gives you a lot of confidence. This car gives you a lot of confidence to drive it hard and to drive it fast. And you know, if you were to wind this back 5 years ago, 10 years ago, to hear all these descriptions being applied to a Volvo, I'll be thinking, you mad? But this is nice. This really is nice. The only thing about this, the XC60 T5, is that from an appearance standpoint, it really is distinctly unimpressive next to the T8. But to drive, right, this is definitely the more. This for me is the driver's pick lah. No question about it. No question about it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like my content, click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon to toggle the frequency of updates every time I upload a new video. And don't forget also to check out the channels of Bobby, Bing and Fadil, okay, of the Horizon team. And until my next video, thanks for watching. Bye for now.